Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my pool and my dogs. That's my pool. And I'm going to go show you my dogs. That's her right there. She's 1 year old and is a she, and her name is Gigi. And the other dog, he is 1 year old and he's a boy, and his name is Sparky. So I hope you enjoy my video. Bye, and subscribe and comment down below and give us a big thumbs up.